some fat. Mix it, knead it, let rest or rise. Form that bread. Let's do some bread recipes. Bread recipe project.
So I got 1 cup of warm water here, and I'm going to add 1 package of yeast, which I buy my yeast in bulk, so it'll be 2.5 teaspoons. Gonna let it bloom. We have 1 cup of scalded milk, and we're gonna let this cool a little bit before we add other ingredients in our big bowl. So to our scalded milk, which is cooled a little bit, we're going to add 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oil, tablespoon of salt to that, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of honey to this as well, and get this all mixed in. So now the recipe says to add to the yeast mixture. Well, I'm adding the yeast mixture to it, so we got that. Now stir that in since we just added the yeast mixture. So now, moving on to the next step. Now we need to beat in 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to add my 2 cups of white flour, all-purpose flour. 3. Looks like I need to fill up my flour jar. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to beat this in, then I'll be right back. So now we're going to beat in 1 more cup of white flour. Hopefully I got enough in the jar. 2, 3. Now the next thing, it says to knead well until smooth and iced and satiny. So I'm going to flour my hands. I'm going to knead it in the bowl. So I'm going to knead it in the bowl. I should have went ahead and added more flour on top of that. Now our dough this is the whole wheat, the honey wheat bread. Now that it is double in bulk, we're supposed to punch it down. I'm going to just do this. And then we're going to divide it in half and put it into 2 different loaves. This, excuse me, this makes 2 different loaves. Now we bake these 2 loaves of bread, the honey wheat bread, for 50 minutes. So for 25 minutes, I'm going to bake it on there, and then we're going to flip them around and bake another 25 minutes. I may have to aluminum foil the top, but hey, that's okay.